Hi everyone, I'm Lori from Milton's Daughter, and today I'm going to show you how I made some really unique cookies using the new frames mold from IOD. I am also using some of the decorated cameos I made with the new IOD Cameos mold. If you would like to see how I made the cameos, please watch my cameos video where I show you all the basics as well as some advanced techniques. I'll leave a link for the cameos video in the comments. You'll also need chocolate for melting and piping. I used the Toll House morsels. You can use any brand of chocolate you like. If you enjoy this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more tutorials. Bake your cookie dough in your frames mold according to the instructions for your cookie recipe. Allow your cookies to cool in the mold. Remove them carefully from the mold and set them aside once they're cool. I melted my chocolate in the microwave at 10-second intervals. Pipe the chocolate into the areas of the frame that would be considered to be the background. Be sure to get the chocolate into the corners and edges. I used my cookie scribe to help guide the chocolate into the nooks and crannies to get a clean edge. You can also use a toothpick if you don't have a scribe. You need to work fast as the chocolate will become more difficult to work with as it cools. Giving the cookie a little shake will help get that chocolate to settle and level out. Choose the cameo best suited to the frame you're working with. Place it on top of the wet chocolate and use your cookie scribe to bend the edges down carefully to conform to the shape of the frame. Don't push too hard or the chocolate will ooze over the top and sides. For the large frame, I used the large heart Cameo and used the chocolate just as a glue. As a variation, you can use royal icing instead of chocolate for your frame background. Here I used a 10 to 15 second flood consistency and added a Mericolor soft gel paste food color in Wedgwood. Thanks for watching.